Assalamu alaikum to you all. Today we will discuss how can you download your sessions from Cambly and upload them on YouTube. I'm making this video because so many people have confusion related to it. First, obviously, to sign in Cambly. So once you are signed in, you will have this screen. So here, if you see at the top, you can see tutors, courses, and progress. So you need to select progress. When you open progress, these are the sessions which you have had so far, and you can see these are all the sessions I have taken in 1 month. So from here you can download it, select watch video, and then
What about now?
after this you can select from here download. So that is how it will be downloaded. You can see it is being downloaded. So this is very easy and you don't need any software for it. So once you download it, what you have to do, the next step is how you can upload the session on YouTube. It's as easy as ABC. You just go over there, you can see here create option, and when you go to create option you can see upload video. You need to select upload video. Once you select it, window will be opened. So here you can see, here you have to select file, the file you want to upload. From here you can select your desired file which you want to upload. Now these are the details you have to fill in. For example, title, description, thumbnail, or whether this video is made for kids or not. Now you can see it is being uploaded. It will take a few minutes. So this is how you can download your session from Cambly and upload it on your YouTube channel. It is not a Herculean task. You can do it. So I will meet you again in another video. Till then, Assalamu alaikum.